to hide channel on YouTube TV. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to hide channels on YouTube TV. So first of all you have to do is just simply come to the official website of YouTube TV while searching for tv.youtube.com, and you will be landed to the official website of your YouTube TV account, and from there just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your YouTube TV account, all you have to do is just simply go to your profile section from the top right corner of the mobile screen or your web browser screen, and from there just simply locate the settings icon and just go to the settings page of your YouTube TV account. And over here at the left hand side of the menu screen, you will be able to see the option called live guides, and you just have to navigate to the live guide section from there. And in order to hide your channels from your YouTube TV account, you need to disable a channel that you would want to hide. Just simply click on the red check mark so that it disappears, and click on the empty cycle to enable the channel. To rearrange the order of channels, grab the two-lined handle on the left and drag up and down accordingly. And if you are using it in your mobile device, you need to follow these steps. Just open your YouTube TV app and just go to the live button section and tap on the sort button from there, and tap on edit button next to the custom section, and there you go. And that's how you will be able to hide your channels on YouTube TV. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.